All right, changes as we head into our Tuesday are in the offing. By morning, some of us will notice those changes, and in fact, overnight, some of us will be noticing those changes. Your temperature now in Fargo at Hector, 45 degrees, 43 at Moorheads Airport. Your wind is southeasterly, and it is gusting over 20 miles per hour as we look around the region. It's cooler off to the east. Bemidji is at 40 still, but it's 36 off the Big Lake, Lake of the Woods, 37 in Wadena, 44 Jamestown and Devil's Lake at that same reading. Big picture, one storm exiting off into the eastern seaboard, bringing with it strong thunderstorm activity for the big bomb storm system we've been hearing so much about lately. That's parked up over the Puget Sound area. Now, as we take a look from Montana all the way through Southern California, a batch of rain that's heading our way. Right now, we're noticing the increase in clouds. Overnight, here's what you can expect. The south winds actually increase, and by morning you'll see yellow arrows. Those means gusts over 30 miles per hour will be blowing the trash can lids around. As we go through the mid-morning hours, that wind picks up even more. So we're expecting winds to be strongest here in the southern Red River Valley, where you see some yellow and orange wind arrows. Gusts over 40 will be likely. The rest of us gusts over 30 miles per hour. Clouds continue, and in fact they will thicken a bit through the day. As you're getting ready to head home from work, we'll notice temperatures very similar to today's. The wind will be a-blowing, the clouds will be covering the area up, and then by the evening, we'll see these showers of rain push into our westernmost counties, maybe a few sprinkles across Minnesota as well. But the main event, the main rain event, will mainly take place on Wednesday. Here's what that'll look like Wednesday morning: passing showers, Red River Valley into Minnesota, and that goes on and off throughout the day, bringing several tenths of an inch of rain for many of us, not all of us, on a soggy midweek day. But for tomorrow, 40 in the morning to start. Clouds on the increase, gusty winds all day long, and in fact, they will peak over 40 miles per hour. So be aware of that if you're setting the trash can outside. She's going to be a gusty day. Heading into the evening hours, the clouds increase. Our chance of rain in Fargo very low until after bedtime, and then heading into Wednesday morning. Your Tuesday forecast for your hometown shows 50s for almost all of us, a few mid-50s out there, which is above average for this time of the year. The harvest continues. Beautiful sky, Ypsilanti there in Stutsman County. Connie, thanks for sharing your photo. Now let's talk a little bit about the extended forecast. We mentioned rain on Wednesday. There it is. Look at the cool weather. We're in the 40s all day, but that's a good thing as opposed to 30s, because then some of that moisture will be falling as flakiness. But that's not going to happen until we have a chance at seeing a little bit of that on the weekend. Look at these temperatures. Above average Friday and Saturday, dry, quiet, spotty showers Saturday, but on Halloween, big time changes in the offing as cold air slams in. It's going to be windy, it's going to be cloudy, it's going to be cold for the ghosts, the goblins, and the mummies too. So put an extra layer of wrap on your mummy, sending them out. And they might just want to keep it on for, look at that, Monday morning forecast. It's going to be a day in the 30s.
Oh.
Yes, you can go tell your mummy.
What if you are the mummy and you have to be out in it and you're very